This is the setup for the CS540 Plantronics headset. To set up the headset, first of all, please check that you have all the correct pieces required. In the box you should have the following: base charging unit, earpiece and headband, lifter, charging cable and plug, including UK plug and European plug, and link cable, all of which are displayed now. Before starting, we would advise to set up the charger so that the earpiece can charge while setting up the headset, and please place this to the left hand side of the phone to begin with. Start charging, place the earpiece in the charging unit, plug the charger into the socket and place the end into the back of the base unit in the left port. If it is charging, a white light will be displayed under the Plantronics text and a yellow light above the charging symbol. For the next stage, you will need a link cable. You will need to remove the curly cord from the back of the phone . Put this end into the bottom of the small box on the link cable as shown here. You will then need to plug the right side of the cable into the phone socket where the curly cord was previously. The left side of the link cable will then need to be put into the back of the base charging unit. The lifter can now be attached to the handset. Start by removing the receiver off the phone. On the back of the lifter there should be 3 white sticky pads on the back that will need to be pulled off. Before sticking the piece in position, position the lifter between the top and the bottom handset holder so that the receiver sits comfortably in place. Once tested, please remove the sticky pads and firmly stick down the lifter onto the handset. The cable from the lifter will now need to be put into the back of the base unit into the middle port. To test that it all works, you will need to press the silver button on the earpiece, which should now lift the phone off the receiver. When you now receive an incoming call, the earpiece should beep in your ear, so if you are away from your desk, you can still pick up a call. Thank you for watching.